machine was likely to fail and schedule maintenance before it happened. This proactive approach dramatically reduced downtime and maintenance costs. Lastly, AI played a crucial role in optimizing the production line. The manufacturer used AI to simulate and analyze thousands of potential production scenarios. It helped identify bottlenecks, streamline workflows, and balance production loads, leading to a more efficient and productive assembly line. So, what were the benefits of this AI revolution? The manufacturer experienced a significant increase in efficiency, with production times slashed by a remarkable percentage. Costs were reduced dramatically thanks to fewer machine breakdowns and more efficient operations. And perhaps most importantly, the product quality improved. Vehicles made with the help of AI were more reliable and had fewer defects, enhancing the manufacturer's reputation for excellence. This car manufacturer serves as a powerful example of how AI can transform manufacturing, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. The future of manufacturing lies in embracing AI, and this case study shows just how beneficial this can be. So, what can we learn from this car manufacturer's embrace of AI? First off, AI is not just a buzzword in the manufacturing industry. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping the way cars are built, making the process faster and smarter. With AI, manufacturers are able to optimize their production lines, reduce waste, and improve quality control. Secondly, AI is a transformative technology. It's not just about doing things better, it's about doing things differently. The integration of AI into manufacturing processes is opening up new avenues for innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Lastly, the potential for future growth is immense. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the ways in which AI can be utilized within the manufacturing sector. AI is not a passing trend, but a long-term investment that promises to revolutionize the industry. As the car manufacturing case study illustrates, AI is more than just a technological advancement. It's a game changer for manufacturing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible.